In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the video output resolution in Adobe Premiere in under 5 minutes. Whether you're aiming for a crisp 4K output or a compact 1080p file, mastering how to adjust video resolution is a fundamental skill for any video editor. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to select the sequence you want to export within your timeline. This is your working area where all the video and audio clips come together to create your final piece. Ensure that you've reviewed your sequence beforehand so you're certain it's ready for the export process. Now head up to the top menu and click on File. This tab hosts numerous functions, but for now, we'll focus specifically on exporting. Within the File menu, hover over the Export option and select Media. This opens the Export Settings dialog box where you'll manage your output configurations. When you see the Export Settings window, take a look at the Format dropdown. Here, you'll want to select H.264. This is the most widely used format for MP4 files, offering a great balance of quality and file size, suitable for almost any platform or device. Next, scroll down within the Export Settings panel until you find the section labeled Video. This section is crucial as it encompasses the settings that directly impact video quality. Within it, you'll locate the basic video settings. Clicking on this will expand a series of options for you to adjust. An important step here is to uncheck Match Source. Doing this allows you to manually set your own dimensions, giving you full control over the width and height of your video output. If Match Source is checked, Premiere will automatically match the export settings to your original sequence's resolution, which is not what we want if we're aiming for custom dimensions. Now that you have more freedom, you can enter your desired width and height. It's crucial to enter values appropriate for your intended output. Common resolutions include 1920 by 1080 for Full HD, 2560 by 1440 for 2K, or 3840 by 2160 for 4K. Make sure these dimensions fit within the standard aspect ratios like 16:9 to avoid stretching or squashing your video content. Take a moment to ensure that your width to height ratio aligns with your project's needs. This verification step helps maintain video integrity and avoids any unexpected visual distortions. Finally, once you're satisfied with these configurations and feel confident everything is set correctly, go ahead and click the Export button. This action initiates the rendering process, where Premiere encodes your sequence into the desired resolution, creating a finished video file ready for sharing or uploading. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough method to customize your video output resolution in Adobe Premiere. I hope this tutorial has been insightful, empowering you with a better grasp on exporting your projects exactly the way you envision them. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.